Hey guys, welcome back to another makeup tutorial with Tara. It's summertime and we want to go for a crazy summer look. We want to go for non-contour or non-touring technique, which is also known as sun-kissed makeup, and we are going to ignore contour and give the main role to highlighter. I'm going to start with primer. For primer, I'm going to use something which is not oil control or mattifying. It's better to ignore all the mattifying, heavyweight and full coverage makeups in this technique. So even if you have oily face like me, better to go for something at least oil free but not oil control or mattifying. And I'm going to use Gush Primer Plus, which is in shade Chameleon, and the good thing about this one is it has a little bit shine and a little bit like pigments, which gives a little bit color to your face, and it's even good to use this one without foundation. Now you have three options. You can go for tinted moisturizer, BB cream, or medium coverage foundation. If you are going for tinted moisturizer or BB cream, you can just cover your acne and scars before applying that moisturizer or BB cream with a concealer. Or if you are going for a medium coverage foundation, I don't think so you need to cover that scars unless you feel more comfortable like that. Since I have so many acnes on my face, so I prefer to do all the things in one step. So I choose Smashbox Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. It's kind of medium to full coverage foundation. It's kind of buildable foundation. So I'm going to use only one layer, which is make it like medium coverage. It's oil free, which is good for oily faces, and it's in shade 2.3. Now I'm going to blend my foundation using Wet n Wild Beauty sponge, which I have already damped it. You can add more shines to your makeup by adding a liquid illuminator to your foundation, mix them well and blend it on your face. For example, I used NYX Born to Glow liquid illuminator in shade 3 and mix it with my foundation, but I forgot to show on camera, and it gives a nice bronze shiny effect to my face. If you don't want to go for a bronze effect, you can go for something which has a pearl shine, like a Bourjois Scalp Light, or from Cover FX we have so many like shades of liquid illuminators, so you can add them. Next, I'm going to use Bourjois Healthy Mix Concealer in shade 52. I'm going to conceal my imperfections and also where I want to highlight. Then I'm going to set the concealer using Focallure Flawless Setting Powder in shade 1. Then I'm going for a blush from Mikyajy Glam Girl Oh My Glow palette, and I'm going to use this peachy shade. Now I'm going to use the same blush shade as an eyeshadow, and I'm going to use it on my eyeball. And we will use a little bit of this light brown shade for the crease area and definition area. The star of this tutorial is Mikyajy Ethereal Glow Luminizer in shade 301. It's a liquid highlighter which is kind of like damped sponge. You have to just press it and get it, but it is so cool, like you will die for this one. It includes a sponge, but I prefer to do it with my fingertip. Just look at the shine, it's crazy guys. So basically I'm going to use this highlighter as an eyeshadow on inner corner of my eye, on eye bone to enhance my cheekbone, on nose bridge, upper lip, and wherever you think you need more shine. Now I will use whatever left on my fingertip for a forehead and chin. Can you see how it sits perfectly on my face? This is amazing, great choice for summer look, and I just love this one, how it sits evenly on my face. Now I'm going to use Makeup Forever Kohl pencil in shade 1K for the upper waterline and Provoke semi-permanent gel eyeliner waterproof in shade 81 for the lower waterline. Next I'm going for a mascara from Mikyajy Lash Pefection 5-in-1 mascara. Next I'm going for Art Deco Brow Filler in shade 38D. Last I'm going for lipstick, which is Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in shade 709, which is kind of light pink but it's matte. So I'm going to add lip gloss on it, which is from Colourpop. It's I Love Sarai X Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in shade Glass Lip. So this is the finished look and I hope you really enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.